Everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a few years, a year, I don't even know. It's been a long time. I wanted to come back to bring some positivity, even though this video, as you're gonna find out, is gonna be very difficult and annoying. Yeah, I missed you guys. I wanted to chat with you guys. I've been getting a lot of DMs and questions when I'm coming back. And since we're all bored, why not come back? Why not give you something and you guys laugh at my pain? And yeah, it's not a legit makeup tutorial. It's gonna be very choppy, but I wanted to do something light and easy. So if you guys want a full detailed video, let me know. Might put it on my Instagram, maybe YouTube, I don't know. But I just thought, hey, let me give it a try. It doesn't hurt to try. If you want to see this look, kind of, keep on watching. You don't have to if you don't want to, but since you're here. Okay, so today I'm going to be using the ColourPop Strawberry Shake Palette. I don't want to make it too like step by step, but yeah, I just want to talk to you guys. I miss YouTube, you know. I came back at a weird stage in all of our lives, but I wanted something to get your mind off things. Everyone is going through tough times and it's just scary times, but I know we'll get through this and only time will tell. We just have to be patient and positive thinking. Okay, so anyway, my eyes are already primed. I used my Smashbox 24-hour primer, I think it's called. Just check the last videos, it's the same primer. Take the shade Woke, which is on this side. I'm just gonna put that lightly on the crease. So what has everyone been doing? We're all stuck at home. I'm hoping we're at home. Well, I'm hoping you guys are staying home as well. What have you been doing to pass the time? Like, have you been reading books? Are you watching a new TV show? As you can tell, I'm coming back to YouTube. No, I've been enjoying, my time. I'm reevaluating a lot of things. It's been such a crazy year so far. So it's kind of like a nice, well, not a nice break, but time to really think. And that's what I've been doing. Now that that's all done, I'm gonna be taking, I'll just show you guys, Shake It Up, which is this color. You can't really see, but very lightly as well. Right underneath that color, but still like remaining on the crease, and blend. Alright guys, this video is gonna be a complete mess. I'm upset, but like I said, positive thinking. There's a loud buzzing on the background. The camera keeps stopping because the memory card is full, and the lighting is horrible, and the whole time I was recording on the wrong setting. Okay. Yeah, I already started on this eye. I'm done. I just need to add eyelashes, but I want to add it once I do this one. I'm gonna look really weird with just one eyelash on. It's already weird with having one eyeliner on, but that's besides the point. So with the flat brush, I'm just gonna, the concealer, I'm just gonna add it on my lids and then open my eyes. See the outline? Alright, don't worry about the edge. Just go over it with some shadow. And just gonna tap that in there. And blend. Tap and blend. Alright, this bobby pin, this thing is hurting me. Alright, next is eyeliner. Okay, so I am officially over this damn video. It keeps cutting off and I'm just so over it, but I need to push through. I'm hanging in there. So for the eyelid, I just use the shade Woke, and for the inner corner, I just added the Artist Couture in the shade Conceited. Added some 3D lashes, did my bottom mascara. Oh, I'm gonna use a black pencil for my waterline. Ugh, hate this part. Okay, so I posted on my Instagram stories. If you guys had any questions, like, you guys can ask me anything you want. You can say whatever you want. And I'm just gonna read you a few questions that I've gotten. And while I do that, I wanna do my lips. So, the first question is, are you a mermaid? Yes. Yes, I am. For my lips today, it's gonna be very simple. I'm gonna put this on my lips, which is Smashbox Eau Gloss Plump Lip Gloss. Oh my god. My thing. What a mess. What a mess. What a mess. Come on, mother. There you go. The next question is, how are you doing? I miss you and your mom. Girl, trust me, we miss you too. Once all this is over, we all need to hang out and hug and love and get drunk. Just kidding. So then on the center of my lips, I want to use the ColourPop Ultra Gloss in the shade Very Good. Just on the very center. Kind of gives it that, like, I just sucked a popsicle look. I'm so over it. I'm done with my lips. And the next question is, what do you think about at night when you can't sleep? Damn. I think about a lot of things. Sometimes I always overthink. So yeah, my mind just keeps racing, and sometimes I just can't shut it off. And I probably thinking about breakfast. What am I gonna eat for breakfast in the morning? But other than that, a lot of things. The next question is, what is your favorite color?
My favorite color is green.
Green. More specifically, dark green. Hunter's green, whatever you want to call it. So yeah, thank you guys so much for clicking on this video, for watching this video, even if you only watched it halfway. Thank you for watching it halfway. This is not really a makeup tutorial, but I hope you guys liked it. Either way, I just wanted to post something. I just wanted to come back and, you know, like I said, through tough times, just something to watch, you know, while we're home, then overthinking and sitting around. So yeah, I decided to film, and yeah, this is not the best video I've posted. The damn buzzing noise is so freaking annoying, but so I hope you guys liked the look. So yeah, I'll see you guys on the next video. Don't know when that will be, but just keep an eye out. Alright everybody, that's it for this complicated, annoying video. And don't forget to comment. No. If you guys like this video, please like, comment, share, subscribe. You don't have to, but it's free, and I know we're going through some things. So it's nice that it's free, so it won't hurt you. The camera's dying. Okay, but yeah, I promise the next video will be a bit better than this. I need a new memory card, but I can't go out and buy one because we need to stay home. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to wash your hands and wash your ass and stay hydrated. Mwah. Peace out.